Hey there, today we're diving into an interesting problem regarding exception handling in C++. The problem we're tackling revolves around how exceptions are treated when thrown and caught. It's a bit puzzling, but let's break it down. In the code snippet provided, we see that even though an exception object of a derived class is thrown, it gets sliced before reaching the handler. This behavior is actually expected according to the C++ standard. The slicing occurs during the throwing of the exception, where the object is copy initialized from the operand. This means that the type of the exception object is determined by removing any top-level CV qualifiers from the type of the operand. Now let's delve into the solution. The slicing happens because a new object needs to be constructed wherever the exception object is stored. This requires allocating memory based on the declared type of the object and calling the move constructor of the declared type. So it's akin to doing throw stared decay underscore tdetl type e1. This behavior, while it may seem strange at first, is a necessity to ensure proper exception handling in C++. In summary, we've explored how exceptions can be sliced when thrown and caught in C++. It's a quirky behavior dictated by the standard to ensure consistency in exception handling. So next time you encounter exceptions in your code, remember the intricacies involved. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!